In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your designs from Lovable AI into Figma. This comprehensive guide will help you understand the process, point out some common limitations, and equip you with tips to ensure a successful design transfer. Let's begin by addressing what Lovable AI currently supports. It's essential to know that Lovable allows you to import designs from Figma using builder.io. This involves utilizing auto layout features, naming layers properly, and more. However, it's crucial to note that Lovable does not offer a built-in export feature directly to Figma. Unfortunately, exporting a project from Lovable into Figma is not something that Lovable supports natively. While third-party tools like Banani claim to assist in exporting Lovable projects or copying screens to Figma, these methods largely rely on screenshots and manual rebuilding rather than a direct data or design export. Now let's delve into some limitations that you may face during this transfer process. One of the primary challenges is the loss of full design fidelity. Capturing screens with screenshots might lead to losing important details such as layer organization, component nesting, and responsiveness. Additionally, exporting multiple screens simultaneously is often unreliable, as each import into Figma typically initiates a new Lovable project instead of merging with an existing one. Moreover, the design system might not match perfectly, resulting in varying fonts, spacing, and colors, and some components may not be editable once transferred. With these considerations in mind, let's explore our step-by-step guide to manually rebuild your design from Lovable in Figma. Start by collecting high-resolution screenshots of all app screens, including different states like hover or modals. This ensures you have a clear reference when replicating designs in Figma. Next, create a new Figma file where each page corresponds to a different screen from your design. Place your screenshots into Figma as references, resizing and locking them for easy access. As you proceed, set up components and styles in Figma. Define styles for fonts, text sizes, colors, and shadows, and build components for UI elements such as buttons and navbars. Utilize auto layout or constraints to maintain responsiveness across your designs. Trace layouts using your screenshot references, ensuring grids, padding, and spacing are accurately replicated. Import any necessary assets, such as icons and images, into your Figma project. If possible, use original assets from Lovable to maintain consistency. Adjust the interactions and states within Figma by creating mockups for hover or active states using variants and components. Once your design begins to take shape, take some time to review it against the original Lovable version. Make adjustments to ensure pixel-perfect accuracy where needed. Organize your layers carefully, naming frames and components with clear, descriptive labels. This organization aids in future adjustments or team handovers. Finally, when you're satisfied with the Figma design, share it with your team. By using this Figma version for future changes, you eliminate the need to modify designs directly in Lovable, streamlining your workflow. With this guide, you now have a clear path to transferring your Lovable AI designs into Figma efficiently.